Hey everyone, just making a quick video here. My daughter driving a Jetta, 2010 Jetta, and she started to hear a very high squeaking noise, which she thought it was the belt. And she looked online on Google and asked Google, hey, can we drive a car with a squishy belt? And Google say yes. Well, let me show you what's going on. So basically, this is the remaining of the belt. Okay, the lower pulley melted down completely. And that's the old pulley. Let me show you. I just received a new pulley. Yeah. So to show you, that's the new pulley, that's the old pulley. So that's why she was smelling some burning thing. And that is the belt tensioner. And you can see the belt tensioner is in a really good shape. So, and then the belt tensioner, a new one, looks like this. Sorry, I'm holding the phone and I'm pulling things out. So that's, see the difference between this and this, you know. So, moral to this story, if you hear a squishy belt and the temperature is rising, stop the car and don't drive it anymore, because not only you running on a Jetta, not only you don't run the water pump anymore, but you don't run your alternator. So if you drive long enough, not only you're going to damage the engine, damage completely the rest of the car, and also you're going to kill the battery. So there is nothing less left really good on a car like that. So if you hear a very high squishy noise, stop and then get the car towed. Don't drive it. She did that. She did a good job, and right now you see I remove everything and I'm putting the new part. Just received a new part. By the way, a shout out to those people, fcpeuro.com. I called for 2 days delivery. I purchased it yesterday, and it was this morning on my. I paid $20 because I didn't want to wait, and like overnight, it was pretty much in my front stoop. So there you go. Don't drive with a squishy belt because you don't know, unless you open the hood and you know what to look for. Don't do it.